Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Trello attachments for version project documents step by step clearly. Open your Trello board that contains the project documents. Identify the card associated with the version document you want to update. Click on the card to open its detailed view. Locate the current attachment related to the document. If necessary, download the existing attachment for reference. Prepare the updated version of the document on your computer. Ensure the updated document is correctly named to reflect the new version. Return to the Trello card's detailed view. Scroll down to the Attachments section of the card. Click on Attach File or the paperclip icon. Select the updated document from your computer. Wait for the upload process to complete. Once uploaded, you will see the new document listed in the attachments. Optionally, add a description or comment on the updated attachment for clarity. Delete the old attachment if it's no longer needed. Confirm the changes to ensure the card reflects the latest version. Close the card to return to your Trello board. Review the attachments section to ensure everything looks correct. Your Trello card is now updated with the latest version of the document. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.